Red tape refers to excessive rules, procedures, paperwork, or administrative requirements that make it difficult or slow to accomplish something. The expression is commonly associated with governments, large organizations, corporations, and bureaucracies. When people complain about red tape, they usually mean that unnecessary forms, approvals, regulations, or complicated processes are preventing efficient action. The phrase generally has a negative meaning because it suggests frustration, delay, inconvenience, and inefficiency. The expression has historical roots in the practice of tying official documents with red ribbon or tape. For centuries, government offices and legal institutions in Europe used colored tape to bind important papers and records. Red tape became especially associated with official documents and administrative procedures. Eventually, people began using the physical object metaphorically. Instead of referring simply to ribbon around documents, red tape came to represent complicated bureaucracy itself. Red tape can appear in many areas of everyday life. Someone applying for a business license might be required to complete numerous forms, visit several offices, provide the same information repeatedly, and wait weeks for approval. A company employee might need signatures from several managers before purchasing a simple piece of equipment. In such situations, people may complain that red tape wastes time and makes straightforward tasks unnecessarily difficult. However, not every rule or administrative procedure should automatically be considered red tape. Many regulations exist for legitimate reasons, including protecting public safety, preventing fraud, ensuring fairness, maintaining accurate records, and holding organizations accountable. For example, safety inspections may delay construction projects, but they can prevent accidents and save lives. The important distinction is between useful regulation and unnecessary bureaucracy that creates burdens without providing sufficient benefits to individuals or society. Reducing red tape is therefore a common goal of governments and businesses seeking greater efficiency. Organizations may simplify application forms, eliminate duplicate requirements, combine approval processes, introduce online services, or give employees greater authority to make routine decisions. Digital technology can reduce paperwork considerably, although poorly designed computer systems may create new forms of administrative frustration. Effective reform requires simplifying procedures without removing protections that serve important purposes. The phrase is often used with verbs such as cut, reduce, eliminate, or get through. Politicians frequently promise to cut red tape to encourage business investment or improve public services. Citizens may complain about getting caught in red tape when administrative requirements prevent progress. The expression should not be confused with roll out the red carpet, which means giving someone an enthusiastic or special welcome. Despite sharing the color red, these expressions have entirely different meanings. In conclusion, red tape describes excessive bureaucracy that makes actions slower, more complicated, or more difficult than necessary. Although the expression originated from the red ribbon historically used to bind official documents, it now symbolizes frustrating administrative obstacles in government, business, education, healthcare, and many other institutions. Recognizing red tape requires distinguishing unnecessary procedures from regulations that genuinely protect people or promote fairness. The best solution is usually not to eliminate every rule, but to create clear, efficient, and reasonable procedures. When organizations successfully reduce unnecessary red tape while maintaining essential safeguards, people can complete tasks faster, employees can work more effectively, businesses can operate more efficiently, and public institutions can provide better services to everyone.